Jim has put Killz paint and built the beginnings of the box for the bathroom. And we're going to talk to Corey about putting in a drain. Jim thinks it's a good idea to put a drain in here in case, because it's a watertight box. It's sealed around the edges there. But maybe we should put in a drain. There is a piece. Are you going to do a second coat of this Killz paint?
I can, but that one piece that's that kind of peeled off, because of the wood, I sealed with that silicone.
Oh, yeah, it felt weird when I touched it. I couldn't help. Yeah, I couldn't help myself. What the fuck?
Did it feel slimy?
It did.
Yeah, that's the sealant.
But that's where we're at so far. What would you call this? The bathroom frame?
Floor frame.
Bathroom floor frame.
And then there's going to be a 2x4 going across, not in the front, but inside.
Yeah.
And then when I do the floor, and then there's going to be 2x4s coming across for stability, of course, for the floor. But then the flooring is going to come out a little bit, and then right underneath that is going to be your lighting, your track.
That's just track light, yeah.
You don't take it.
Yeah, it's an adhesive sticker is basically how they sell these LED strips.
Okay.
So it'll be basically 60 little LED bulbs on that strip.
And is that DC or AC?
It's 12 volt AC.
It's 12 volt DC.
I guess I mean, I'll look at it a little bit clearer.
Yeah, because AC is household wiring, DC is vehicle wiring, but
maybe it is DC because a lot of this LED lighting is for cars that I've been finding on eBay.
I could wire it in. I mean, this truck has plenty of wiring around here, so I mean, I could wire it in somewhere. I don't even know if this works, but your panel there is going to power some DC anyway, so
I'll look at that.
Did you already order it?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Yeah, because you could get AC track lighting too, and just screw it right in.
All right.